something a little different.
That's it. We're going to break a mold and tell you how we can add the fun colors into your everyday life. Courtney has a super corporate job, so who says being blonde has to be boring? So I'm going to spin you a little. We went through and we did a full balayage. I love to use the Joico Blonde Life Lightener with a scoop of Bali powder because I really, really love the texture. Small sections in the top and in the bottom underneath, bigger sections throughout to blend through the dimensions so the grow out is so much easier. And then on the top, we went through and did a baby light with Blonde Life and 20 volume lightener. She's really
short life.
Yeah, short life. Right. So, and then I went back in afterwards and did a shadow root with the Joico Lumishine. I really, really like to use that because the consistency is great to go ahead and get a nice solid shadow root through there. Yeah. And then we went back in with the brighter pieces. I used mostly Pulp Riot. I used a combination of the lilac, the blush, and Cupid mixed together, and then a little bit of the candy on some of these brighter ends. And then underneath in some of these back lilac pieces, I used the Scrubbles Urban Shock as well. And then we just styled her kind of like her every day, so you can see that it really doesn't have to be. There's a common misconception, I feel like, with the tribe that we all do rainbow hair all day, every day. Right. This is more what I do all day, every day. My unicorns are, you know, spot throughout, but why not have a little bit of unicorn color in your hair and then go about it? You can live in the corporate world.
Absolutely. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Thank you.
We are all unicorns.
Yes, God.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, baby.